the caterpillar
ate fruit and some food.
And
Some food, okay? So we're going to try to remember what he ate on the days of the week. So let's sing a song. It goes like this, okay? We're going to start here, okay? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so help me here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, you guys ready?
Yes.
You sing it now.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday,
Sunday. Good. Okay, so we're going to try to think. What food did the caterpillar eat? What food? Do you remember?
Apple.
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 How many apples?
How many? 2 apples.
2 apples. 2 apples, Ellie?
One apple.
One apple.
One apple.
Good job, 1 apple. And what day? What day did the caterpillar eat 1 apple?
I think
Good.
it's...
I think
it's Monday.
Monday. Good.
Yes.
Excellent. Good. Okay, so on Monday he ate
One
blue apple.
No.
No, not a blue apple?
No. One red apple.
One red apple.
One
Okay.
red.
So on Tuesday,
The caterpillar ate 2 pears.
2 pears?
Yes.
Yes.
I think. No.
2 purple pears?
2 green pears.
Very good, Ellie. Good job. So
guess
everyone,
1, 2.
on Tuesday, the caterpillar ate 2 pears. Green pears.
2 green pears.
Great. Okay. So let's see, Andrea. What do you think? On
Wednesday. On Wednesday.
Wednesday?
I think the caterpillar
ate
1, 2,
3.
3.
Good.
3.
3.
I remember.
Plums.
Yes.
Okay.
Pink plums.
Pink plums.
Pink plums.
Pink plums.
No.
No.
Pink, purple
plums. Okay, good. So on Wednesday, the caterpillar ate 3 purple plums. Good. Okay. So so we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
On
Thursday,
I think the caterpillar ate 4 oranges.
4 oranges?
Yes. 4.
It's something red.
4 red strawberries.
Yes! 4 red strawberries. Good try, Andrea. Good try. So, go ahead. On Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. On Thursday, the caterpillar ate 4 red strawberries. Okay. Let's see, what do you think's next? On Friday,
I think the caterpillar ate 5 oranges.
very good, Andrea. We can't trick you there.
Oranges.
5 oranges.
5
Good.
orange.
Okay.
Orange.
Excellent. So everyone together. On Friday, the caterpillar ate 5 oranges. Good. What about on Saturday? You know what? Saturday, because we can sleep in. Saturday, everyone. Saturday.
I think
Yes.
on Saturday the caterpillar ate chocolate.
Chocolate!
Yes,
Yeah.
chocolate.
Lots of things.
Yes.
Chocolate cake. Chocolate
Chocolate cake,
ice cream,
ice cream,
pickles,
pickles,
lollipops,
lollipops,
watermelon.
Watermelon.
Good job, Ellie. Lots of food. And after he had
He was sick.
he was sick.
Yeah.
Yeah, he had a stomach ache. Oh. So on
Sunday,
he ate
one
green leaf. Excellent. You guys know the story by heart.
Really?
Good job. Okay. Enjoy sorting it out. Bye.